morning everyone, we're back at Power Tune and the old clunker 32 Street car is out of the trailer on the hoist. Engine's over here, ready to rock, almost. I've just got to finish making off this line from the back down to the side. In saying that, I still haven't received a block off. That's no biggie, I can do it underneath the car. So I've got to make a line. Raceworks have hooked us up again. Bloody good eggs. So yeah, I'll get this engine in the car. It is an absolute brothel in here. I'm not going to clean it up just yet because I feel there's a little bit more pain coming on the cleaning side of things. Disregard the wood. That was there for when I transported it to Sydney. So, because it was only the engine in here on its own, so it was rocking back and forth. The steering rack is cactus as well. I have one in the boot, but after looking at it, it's like a four-wheel drive one. I don't know if that makes a difference. I just think there's a couple of extra fittings or there's some extra crap going on there. So if it's too tall and sits too high, because I think it was out of a Stasia. Oh, I can't remember, it was that long ago. I got it off some dude back in Adelaide. Anyway, I'm going to suss that out and just tinker along. So we'll probably just cut to a time lapse. Might even get the gearbox in today, we'll see. Alright, let's do it. Righto, so along with all the Raceworks goodies, the other good eggs at GK Tech sent me some fresh boots. These amazing little, it's a bloody mess down here, I'm sorry, but see this shifter? See that plastic thing on the end? Focus. Okay. See this on the end? That's better. That's crap. GK Tech do this one. It's a brass one. You just pop it in and you don't get no sloppiness. And then they also do some springs to basically recenter this. Well, no, not recenter it, but to make it stronger to come back to center. These springs go in this side and this side, and it basically makes the shifter go back to the center. Probably really don't have to do it on this one because I'm like, it's brand new, but for all your flogged out RB25 boxes, not your brand new ones, yeah, highly recommend getting these. I'm going to put them in anyway because I want it to be sort of rock solid, so we'll slap them in right now. Alrighty then, engine's in, 50 cents crank, gearbox is semi-sorted. I had to re-drill the holes for the frickin' push type slave setup. Found a clip for that, didn't have a clip for that, so anyway, I put this gearbox in, I had to pull it out again, so let's do it again, yeah. Got to be quick before I get copyrighted. Engine's in, gearbox is in, oil lines are on, starter motor's on, things are looking up. But I'm gassed, it's late. I'll be back in the morning. We'll be back in the morning. Righto. Sunday sesh complete. Yeah, looks pretty damn ugly. God, this thing I mean, it should work, but yeah, I'm just not used to things looking this bad. It'll scrub up alright. So, anyway, we've got a few little problems. I don't have any of the exhaust, so I'm gonna have to get the flange, start making the exhaust tomorrow when everything's back open. The shifter I have doesn't suit the gearbox. The shifter does, but the little like spigot that goes in is a smaller one. So I've got to try and get one of them tomorrow. I don't have a diff, so I need to get a diff with 5-bolt stub axles. I had 5-bolt stub axles, but they're all different lengths and they're not going to work. Circlip's in a different spot for an S15 diff, which I was hoping to get away with, but like the one out of the one we're building, but that's not going to work. So I'll get a diff, make the exhaust, fix the shifter, and then it's pretty well ready to get a battery and fire up. Just got to put oil and water in. There's nothing else I can think of. I don't know how bad the interior is and how much everything's been gutted, but I think that's all I need to do. So hopefully I can try and make all this happen within the next 2 days, depending when parts get here. There's a few little fittings and stuff I need to still change. Yeah, there's one more order from Raceworks being delivered. Good eggs. But yeah, that's it for me today, is roaching. It's been so freaking hot in this joint the last couple of days. And humid as hell. I don't know what's going on. Sydney's gone from 0 to hero, but hero to 0, whatever. So we're gonna wrap the video up there, guys. I think it's gone long enough. But yeah, hopefully the next one is me cranking it. And yeah, we'll see how we go. But try and build an exhaust. Might get a second-hand one and shoehorn it in. We'll see how we go. So I need to put mufflers on this street car. Alright, hope you enjoyed that, and the progress is getting there, slowly. What a weekend. Alright, see you legends.